Well, after yesterday's drama, I'm hoping that today we do find some nice things at the thrift store. It is bright and early, 7:30. I'm quickly gonna make a protein shake, and then I'm gonna head out to the thrift store. I'm gonna feed little man Captain. Right, Cap? You ready to eat your pebbles? Hungry little guy? Today's fit of the day, I am rocking the Aaliyah crew neck. My favorite shorts, I've actually thrifted these. These are the Love and Moschino. If you guys know that brand, Moschino, whatever, however you want to pronounce it. And then on the feet, I am rocking Gucci loafers. It's probably about 60 something degrees today, so I didn't want to go full pants because by the time it gets like the middle of the day in South Florida, it gets like 70 plus and it's super hot. So you have to kind of counterbalance it. You wear the crew neck, but you wear it with shorts, and then you wear some slippers just because, you know, your feet doesn't want to get cold. But let's go hit up the first thrift store. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Let's get it, guys.
Look at this crazy tiger blanket that I found. It's insane. And then look at this Lion King blanket I found too. I'm trying to see if I can find a tag on this thing.
Well, that thrift store was okay. We ended up leaving with those two blankets, the what do you call it? The like bear one, or I don't even know what animal it was. I can't even think of it right now. And then we left with the Lion King bedding. I also found an Oakley like side bag, messenger bag, really nice. Almost looks like brand new condition. I'll show you guys once I get home. But yesterday I posted the video of Plato's Closet, and you guys pointed out that Saved by the Bell jacket, Jimmy Kimmel was wearing it, and literally I cannot find anything on it online. Like, I can't find if it was merch, I can't find if it's like a limited edition like cast and crew members jacket. I have no idea what that jacket is. I literally just called the Plato's Closet and they can't find it. It's not in the jacket section. So someone could have bought it. When did I make that video? I didn't make it yesterday. I think I made it the day before. So it's been like 24 hours, but there's no chance that someone from my video saw it, you know? If someone from my video saw it, they'll probably be there now, like showing up at 10 o'clock trying to get it. But maybe it's sold, or the lady said it could be misplaced. So I'm gonna go and see if I find it. If I don't, no worries, we'll just hit up another thrift store. But I figured, you know what, let's go and see if we can get that, because if we can get that, it could be worth a lot of money, or it could be worth nothing. They wanted $25, but like I said, I can't find anything online. I can't find it on eBay, I can't find it on anywhere on Google. I cannot find a picture of that jacket. The only picture that I saw, as someone pointed out, was on Jimmy Kimmel. So we're headed to Plato's Closet. Let's see if we can find it, and I'll keep you guys posted. Well, I guess moment of truth. Did somebody buy it yesterday? Is it misplaced? Is it gone? It's okay. I won't be mad if it is, but I figure, you know what, let's just, might as well try.
All right, jacket section. It was, yeah, it's gone. Because it was right here. Unless, like I said, they misplaced it, but it was definitely right here. And now it's not, so somebody picked it up. Good for them. They got a nice little find. Yeah, because this is the Forever 21 Smile More. I mean, I'm gonna look around and see if maybe, like I said, they misplaced it, but I'm pretty sure it's gone. Because it was just right here. And it would stand out pretty instantly if it was here. Just kidding. It's right here. Saved by the Bell. As seen on Jimmy Kimmel. So we're gonna pick this up. Well, we didn't see this the other day. Nice little huff striped tee with the embroidery. It is $10 though, so I'm gonna pass on that. I'm just quickly looking over to see if they added any new shirts in the couple days that I wasn't here, but if I had to guess, probably not. I mean, obviously they did, but I'm not gonna wanna go through everything. So as I was about to check out, I saw these brand new tags, Forever 21, like half camo, half like green. And they're pretty fire. I think I'm gonna get them. They're only $12. Brand new was like $60. And they're kind of like baggy, so they're not tight, like they're loose fit. Pretty cool. I think I'm gonna grab them for sure. A little tapered at the bottom. Nice little cargos.
Well, we ended up getting the jacket, and I could definitely tell how the worker couldn't find it at first, because I almost didn't find it at first. I was like, oh no, it's gone. I couldn't see it. It definitely blended in, but then you guys saw last minute we did see it. Again, if you guys know more info about it, let me know. Literally, someone commented, was like, yo, they gifted Jimmy Kimmel that same exact jacket. And again, I can't find images on it. I can't find any listings on eBay, Depop, like Mercari, on anything. I've never seen that jacket. I can't find that jacket on Google. The only place that I saw it was on that YouTube video of Jimmy Kimmel wearing that Letterman jacket. So it could be a family and friends, like cast and crew. It could just be merch that Peacock sold. Like, it could be worth nothing. I have no idea. But for $25, I took the gamble. I did pick it up, and yeah, I'm happy with it. And I did find those pants, and I had a coupon, so I only spent $30 on everything. So if you divide it by half, like I paid, I guess, 15 for the pants and 15 for the jacket, or I paid $30 for the jacket and I got the pants for free. But yeah, now we're just gonna head back home because I have a lot of packing to do. Today is Wednesday. I really can't source anymore. I really gotta start packing. I really gotta finish the laundry after yesterday's situation. I have a bunch of loads to do as well. So let's go home and check on Captain, see how the little man's doing. So I've been driving around for the past like maybe 5-10 minutes, like, man, what do I want to eat for lunch? What do I want to eat for lunch? And I keep telling myself, like, Emilio, you gotta eat healthy, go home, make some food. And not even healthy, but just go home, make some food. Like, don't eat fast food, go home, just go home. So I decided, I think I'm gonna go home and make some tacos, but instead of using ground beef, I'm gonna use bison beef, or bison meat. If you guys don't know, bison is buffalo, so I'm gonna make some buffalo tacos. I'm really excited for it. And I showed you guys before, like years ago, how I make my little American style tacos. But I'll show you guys again how to make tacos, because I see tons of Instagram stories of people like cooking literally like eggs and bacon all day just because they can't cook anything else. I'm like, dude, make some tacos, make some pasta, make, you know, some shrimp with mashed potatoes, you know, just do something good. Don't make like just basic stuff. So I'm gonna put you guys on. I'm gonna show you how to make some tacos. I know this isn't the vlog you wanted. You wanted a thrifting video. Well, like I said, I'm moving in 2 days. I need to be at home because I need to be doing laundry. I need to be packing. So you know what? While I'm home, I'm making a video. Let's show you guys how to cook. So, like I said, let's go check on Captain, and then let's make some tacos. Yeah, you peed in the house. I know you're a bad dog. You went potty in the house, little man? That's not cool. I know, you don't even see, you don't even look at me, you're ashamed. We're moving in 2 days. We're moving in 2 days. A new apartment. Are you excited? Ah, little guy. So this is gonna be the ground bison. I got this at Costco, if you guys are interested. I don't know if normal, like, markets sell ground bison, but I did get this from Costco. I'm using the stand and stuffed shells, and then for the seasoning I'm using original, and then I'm also using hot and spicy. I'm gonna do half and half just because I like the hot and spicy, but I don't like it too spicy, so I'm gonna do half and half. So the first step is obviously cooking the meat. Now again, I'm using bison, but you can use ground beef, you can use ground turkey, you can use tofu, you can honestly use steak, you can use whatever you want. But basically you cook the meat till it's nice golden brown. And I cook it on a medium-high heat. It's probably gonna take, I don't know, 10-15 minutes or so. So we'll just let that cook, chop it up nice and firm so it's not in chunks, and just kind of let it do its thing. So now that it's basically all brown, it's all cooked. Normally, if this was regular beef, what I would do is I would drain the water with like a strainer. Then you add water with this. You just follow directions. I think it's 2/3 a cup of water. But since I'm using bison, what I'm gonna do is I wanna use the juices from the bison. So I'm just gonna drain it a little bit. And instead of adding water, I'm just gonna use the liquid that's in here to mix it with the sauce. So let me drain a little bit of the sauce and I'll show you guys. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna bake the oven. I'm gonna put the oven at 350 so that way it can start heating up the shells. Now that I drained a little, I'm gonna take the original seasoning, put about half of it on top. I'm gonna take the hot and spicy, again, pour about half on top. Then you're just gonna mix it. Just mix it all in so you can't see any of the orange, basically. So now that I mix it all in, we put it on basically low. We take the taco shells, I put it on like a baking pan just to heat them up and get them nice and crispy. Because if you eat them out of here, it's gonna be hard and it's just not gonna be enjoyable. So I highly recommend heating up your taco shells. Whether you do soft or hard,
hard, you definitely want to heat up. So we'll put this in the oven. Let me not burn my clothes while I do it. Hold on. And we'll put those for about 5 minutes, but you want to keep an eye on them, and you'll notice that they'll start to get closer, and that's how you know when they're done. While the shells are cooking, you get your little toppings. Now I'm doing it super plain today. Usually you can do avocado. I do cilantro, lime, but I don't have any of that. So I'm just doing sour cream, hot sauce, and some cheese. As you can see, the shells are a nice crisp golden brown. They are ready to be served. Ground bison. One thing that I'm really excited about the move is that I bought all new kitchenware. Like, this is a whole box of course it's underneath the towel, but I have like NutriBullet. I have all new cookware. This is utensils. So I'm getting like all new pots and pans. I'm donating everything that I have, so it's gonna be literally brand new, fresh. I'm so excited, guys. You guys, I've been here for almost 2 years now, and I feel like this apartment's just been like draining me, like just, it's not good. So I'm so excited for a new thing, but let's plate these tacos because I'm hungry. So what I do is I actually split open the taco. I take the shell and I crack them in half, and then I'll use this as my shell versus eating it. That's why I get the stand ones, because like you can hold it as like a little side. Step 1, I put sour cream as like the base. Then we do the salsa. After the salsa, we move to the meat. And the final step, the cheese. And there you have it. Easy, quick, good, American style tacos. Again, you can always put on whatever toppings you want. You can use whatever meat you want, but I just chose what I chose. And then the final step, all you do, pick up your taco. Cheers. That bison is so tender. It's spicy though. I think I made it a little too spicy. So yeah, guys, those are my tacos. I'm gonna eat them, and then I'm gonna continue packing. Day in the life.
The following day.